Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you all a video on propagating fried apes. Look, baby pup has appeared here, and this is the same pot that I have already chopped twice before, and I have also added a video on this. I have already added 2 videos on Graptoveria fried apes. Fried apes is one of the easiest growing succulent plant. If you are a beginner of succulent, you can try using this process. You will get 100% successful result. I will let the stem stay as it is so that the new pups will appear in it. These are the babies that have grown from a fallen leaf. See? The leaves has already dried and the pups has started to grow. Another one is also there. Take a look. 2 pups has appeared in this. This one is the plant that I have chopped for the first time and grow in the same process that I will be growing now. Look, it's very healthy, right? And this one is the second time chopping plant, and it's also growing so healthy. It's looking so beautiful, right? Friends, for Graptoveria fried apes, I am using 50% garden soil, 30% river sand, and 20% cow dung manure. Now it's time for the babies that have grown from the leaves. I'm using the same potting mix. Now it's time for watering. You can water fried apes twice or thrice in a week.